Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the blush and highlighter by theBalm, B-A-L-M, and I've been using this for about 10 years. It's a really nice corally pink, and let me show you what it looks like. Really nice corally pink. Adds, let's see if I can get a little bit more. Adds a nice rosy tint to your cheeks and also gives you a good highlight, which is nice. So where's this made? The balm is made out of San Francisco. I know this because I've been using it for 10 years. Let me tell you a little bit about the product. Hot Mama is a sexy shadow. Oh, you can actually, I forgot, you can use it as an eyeshadow, a striking blush, and subtle highlighter with a peachy pink hue that adds a splash of color to your cheeks and shimmer to your lids while illuminating your finest features. And who does not want that? Smart shadow, beautiful blush, and subtle highlighter is tucked in a go anywhere compact. So I can vouch for that. It's not very big. It's a couple inches. And we like this. It has a mirror. Hello, mirror. So yeah, so Hot Mama by theBalm. They also suggest to use their own brush called Powder to the People to apply. I don't have that brush. I just use a normal blush brush. So you can do whatever you like. So it's I'm trying to see if there's anything about it. If it's I don't know if it's tested on animals or not, but it's a blush that adds shimmer. It's nice pinky peach. It glows. I say it would rival NARS, the NARS Color Orgasm, because it has more of a nice glow to it. You can use it on your cheeks. It's a nice eyeshadow. It's like I said, peachy pink. Has a little bit of gold undertone. It's subtle, very highly pigmented. It lasts pretty much all day. And I'd have to say it is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I've been purchasing it steadily for the last 10 years. I really think you can't go wrong with this blush, and it works on numerous skin colors. I've used it on a couple friends that have different skin colors than I. Oh yeah, they are cruelty free. They we like that they don't hurt any bunnies. Yeah, just something. Actually, you know, this is another thing you can keep in your purse with like a lip gloss or a lipstick, where you can use this as a multitasker. So a multitasker, it would be using it on your eyeshadow. So if you had 3 items in your purse and you needed to put some makeup on because you were going somewhere, a multitasker would be double as eyeshadow and also as blush. You could use your lipstick for your lips or lip gloss or whatever, and if it's a gloss, you can use it on your eyebrows to make them smooth out and shiny. And the number one thing I think you should always keep with you is mascara. Mascara is really important. It really completes the look. I find that brows and mascara really frame your face even if you don't put any other makeup on. So I'm very happy with Hot Mama. I'm still glad that they're making it. It makes me really happy. It lasts for a good amount of time for me, and so that saves you money in the long run. And yeah, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself and see if you like it. Yeah, it's a great blush. I think you'll like it. Hot Mama by theBalm. Give it a try. And like I said, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.